Clay has been addictive for me. I have been working in clay and making a living at it for 47 years now. I focused more on the human face. Basically, with the human face, I realized that every civilization represents themselves differently. They represent themselves to the world as in that space and time. What I try and do is make a totem, try and declare what we look like today with my figures and faces. When I do my work, I'm very involved with it. With clay, the sad part is the fun part is about this long, and the rest of it's about that long. After the piece is made, it has to be tended, it has to be bisque fired, it has to be glazed, it has to be fired again, it has to be backed, it has to be mounted. So the fun part is like this. I have a fascination when I work with the clay of the faces that will start to come out of the clay to me. They're not really a part of me until they're all the way done, and it's seeing those faces appear that I find a great deal of pleasure in. This is a sculpture I made depicting St. Francis, a person who loved humanity and was extremely kind and loved animals. So I've depicted St. Francis as a fairly young and peaceful person holding a dove. This is a mermaid, and it's always fascinated me to think that you could swim endlessly in the ocean. They always seem to be very happy spirits. I love clay because it can think as fast as I can, and it doesn't hurt.